Alright everybody, here we go, latest box break, Triple Threads 2010. Hope everybody got my message that I was going to be out of town here today and that this box break wasn't happening until later on this evening. Hope that isn't an inconvenience for anybody, and hopefully we can get a nice big pull here for you guys. All the regular people are probably sick of hearing me say that. We haven't struck gold here in a while, so let's make it happen here tonight. Alright everybody, here we go. First pack. The back, Greg Jennings. What we got there? Miles Austin. Can't even read these. Anquan Bolden. Matt Stafford. Steve Smith. And we got Maryland High School rushing record. Ben Tate at a 27. Get a better look at that. There we go. First one. Hines Ward, Peyton Manning, Dwayne Bowe, Matt Ryan, Randy Moss, and we got a Rashard Mendenhall, number 34, and that is out of 18, numbered 4 of 18. Autographed Rashard Mendenhall. Okay, now we'll go back to the Ben Tate here. That is going to Benny Deck, and the Rashard Mendenhall here will be, let's see who had the Steelers. M. Garmin. M. Garmin had the Steelers, and Benny, you had the Texans. Alright, there's our break. Everybody that's familiar with me and likes my breaks, check me out. I got more breaks going on. I got another Triple Threads on right now. There you go, guys. Thanks.